Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video I showed you how to create a database and how to insert data manually, and also we learn about code refactoring, how to use this include. And in this video we are going to create our database connection between our folder and our database. So we can read our data, we can update our data, we can delete our data, and we can insert our data. So now we are going to create a database connection. Okay, so first of all we need to create a file that called config.php, and in the config.php file we are defining our constant for our database connection. For our database connection we need our host, we need our user, we need our password, and we need our database name to connect with the database. So for that we are going to create constant for those. Okay, so now I'm taking a PHP code is here, and using define tag we are set the db host, the constant, and the value is local host. Okay, so I am just using Ctrl D to copy and paste. Okay, so now we need host, then we need user, then we need password, and we need name. Okay, so our db host, the value is local host, and the db user, the value is root, and the db password, I don't have any password, I told you, so the password in string is empty, and the db name is user info. Okay, so this 4 is our constant to connect with our database. So now I'm going to take another page and I'm saving it as a database.php, and in the database.php I'm going to include my config.php file, because they got the constant, right? config.php. Now we can use this constant to connect our database. Now I take another one PHP code. So here I'm taking my a class called database. Okay, and in the database class I'm using a public variable called host, and the value is the db host, our constant. Okay, so I'm again using Ctrl D to copy this 4 times, and I said the user is our constant db user. Okay, and the variable pass is our constant db pass. So whatever value we have in our config, our constant db pass is the value of variable password. Okay, and then the variable name is equals to db underscore our constant name. Okay, and also we need another 2 variable that is represent our link, and this error variable represents whatever error we are getting through this connection, if we got any error. Okay, so now we are using we are creating a function called public function, and the function name is connection, to connect our database. Okay, so here we are using this link is equals to new mysqli, and then this we are giving the value host, then we are giving user, then we are giving pass, and then we are giving the name. So whatever variable we have I'm just giving this host, user, password and name. I am giving here. Okay, and if this link got any error, if this link got any error, so this error variable will say connection failed, and also we will concatenating this link got connect underscore error. This is the function for getting error from MySQL. If any error we've got, so we will show this one, connect error, and then if got this one, just return false. Okay, so now our connection, I think it's okay. Let's try it. Let's say if index.php, if we use another PHP here and say include our database.php, then you can, if there is any error, it will show the error. If not, then this file is completely fine. So there is no error. That means our database is fully and completely connected successfully. So, and the later one, we can retrieve our data from the database. So I think in this video is enough. You just guys practice to how to create this kind of function too. Okay, I think when we are implementing this database in another page, let's say adding or for editing a page, this function should work automatically. Yeah? So we just use a function underscore construct, and here we just said this is the connection, our connection function. Yeah, our connection function will perform automatically. No need to say that you have to connect whatever page you include the database.php, the function this connection will work automatically. Okay guys, so I think today is enough to this video is enough for you to understand how to connect and all those things. And the later one video I will insert the data from our database, whatever value is here. So this value will retrieve, will read here dynamically. Okay, so I will talk to you in the next video, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.